Finally, IQ update. Finally, IQ updates in Roblox. IQ update. Did they really release it? IQ rework? 6 p.m. Wait, no wait. Is that the guy? Is that the guy with the snakes? It's gonna be the guy with the snakes, right? Look at the snakes though. Right, anyways, we have all the new rookie codes in Blue Lock Rivals, quality of life reworks, IQ, finally added IQ into the game. What would have we done without IQ? Okay, what if secret? Wait, secret. Hey, can we actually redeem the secret code? Can we actually redeem the secret code? Let's try it out. Secret. Wait, what am I even trying? What am I even trying? I can't even redeem codes. I'm not even level 5. I'm not even level 10. Okay, it doesn't exist. Doesn't even exist. I'm not missing out on anything right now. This code doesn't even exist. But we have all the other codes we can actually redeem in Blue Lock. New update. New codes. They've actually added a lot of new features into the game, as well as some sneak peeks. New teasers. Teaser. Okay, and then the first code. First code. New. First code is new. New. HIORI. Exclamation point. There you go. New Hiyori. New Hiyori. Be sure to actually redeem this code. That is exactly how you want to type this code. New Hiyori, as well as the next code. 3 Billy. 3 Billy. 3 billion visits. 3 billion visits. There you have it. There you have it. There you have it. 3 billion visits. Redeem this code. And we also are getting a secret code. We're also getting a secret code on the update when it actually drops. So guys, subscribe, like, subscribe, like. Also, if you want a free slot, make sure you just comment IQ, okay? How do you type? Wait. IQ. The AIKU. Exactly like this. Exactly like this. AIKU. AI. They've added AI. IQ rework finally. Easy.